Growth of Hargeisa capital in the last few years have expanded the need for public transportation. The citizens who live in capital Hargeisa do mainly depend on public transportation to attain their different requirements and to move from one place to another. The buses who serve as public transportation in Hargeisa have exceeded 1,500 buses, and they are composed of two types of buses: the minibus that are known locally as ASI, and the ordinary buses that ranges between 25 to 30 seats. All those buses swap among the different areas of Hargeisa. The total bus stations in the capital are 8, with more than 3,000 employees in these stations, and they consist of bus drivers, driver's assistants, and other laborers that control the bus's movement and their work directions. The public transportation service became the support sector for job seekers. Saleban was a bus driver for more than 15 years, as he started when he was 14 years old by driving a bus owned by his family. The ambition and the background of Saleban were no different from his surroundings in the bus stations. Though the public transportation is the backbone of the community services, but there are specific characteristics that society defines the bus drivers, like rude attitude, bad discipline that irritates both the bus passengers and the other car drivers, which says it triggered by the extensive working hours, long sleepless nights, and the different attributes of bus passengers, as well as joining the bus service in an early age make the individual embrace inappropriate attitude that market possess. Saleban's life was no different from the other lifestyles of the bus drivers. His daily schedule included driving for long hours, sitting in the tea restaurants near the bus stations, and chewing for long hours at night. He left the school at the year of 1988, once the Civil War started, and he did not get back to school since then. His daily motion was limited to his daily work.
The last time I went to school was in 1988, when the Civil War broke out. At the time I used to go to Sengire.
After working for a while as a bus driver, he was elected as a cashier for the Hira Aur bus station consortium. Soon afterward, Saleban introduced a unique and a new fundraising initiative for the consortium, which is known by Load Stand, to maximize their income. Load Stand is a simple philosophy where 2 buses every day do additional bus round on the top of their ordinary routine and donate the earnings from the additional round to their bus station consortium, which later became Saleban's legacy. The year of 2006, there was an Ethiopian university that came to the country known by Admis University. The big need for higher education in the country has helped Admis to be recognized. A big number of students had immediately joined the new university. The number of university employees and teachers have increased tremendously. At the beginning of the year 2007, Saleban has joined the new crew of Admas University and became the driver of a minibus owned by the university.
Saleban was one of the first staff members that joined the university in 2006. He was hired as a driver.
Saleban's past experience in coming across different people every day in his old job made it easier to get along with all the new university staff and teachers. After a few months, he became aware of the importance of education and its value. He widely thought of the possibilities to resume his education that he missed in the past.
After a few months of working as a driver, I realized the value of education.
The desire for studies came from him.
After a few months, he became aware of the importance of education and its value. He widely thought of the possibilities to resume his education that he missed in the past.
I have begun English self-study. By the time the second year registration started, I have already learned both English and mathematics, and it encouraged me to join class.
After 1 year from university opening, Saleban developed a desire to learn.
Saleban joined the second batch university students in the academic year 2007-2008.
jaamacaddu marka codsigu uu soo codsaday way ka aqbashay waxaanay waliba ku saaciday Saleban inay siiso fursad ah.
The university not only accepted his application but reduced his workload in the afternoon so he could attend classes.
loo siiyo xilliyada kalaasyadu baxayaan fasalada socdaan inuu waxbarashadiisa dhigto.